In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a watering bowl for cats and dogs. Check this out, everybody. This is from the company Joytale, and I've had some of their products before and been extremely impressed with it. This one's the large capacity 3-liter stainless steel pet floating water bowl, and I will show you how this thing works. It's a large capacity. It holds up to 101 ounces, which is 3 liters. Be good for multiple pets, and you know what? The plate just kind of floats in it. Looking over it, it's a stainless steel, completely stainless steel, and it looks very premium. Sizing 8x8x3. Yeah, we won't need none of that. And it came in this box right here, and it's got a little bit of instructions with it right here. I have it set up right here, and I'm going to show you here in a minute. You know, basically, there's not much to it, everybody. You get it like this, and you see how it's doing. It's floating. I love that they put little dog paws, bones, and stuff like that. Look how it floats. So this floats, so it let them drink out of here, and then it sinks down. And then when you're ready to fill it up, you take that out. Look how much water's been in here. And I've had this for a week, and I've not even had to fill it once. These are little rubbers right there. They can't pick it up. It's very nice and sturdy. I let the cat use it. The cat seems to like it more than the dog does, actually. The cat seems to get right here and just kind of like lick away on it all the time. I did use this, but now I'm using this for 2 feeding bowls, and this is a watering bowl. So I put cat food and dog food, and then that's watering right there. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the Joytale large capacity watering system. See y'all in the next video.